Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. I am Amira Fatma from Arid University, Rawalpindi. Today my topic of presentation is PowerPoint. Table of contents are getting started, inserting slides, slide designs and backgrounds, inserting shapes, graphics, smart art, tables, sounds and movies, using custom animations, hiding and revealing objects in a slide, setting up a PowerPoint show using transitions, handy tips and tricks when creating presentations, advanced PowerPoint. Getting started. Toolbar, inserting and formatting. Take a minute to explore the tabs above and look at the options available under each one. Creating a presentation. When you launch PowerPoint, your screen will look like this. All of the tools you need are on the ribbons, highlighted, and many are self-explanatory. Inserting a new slide. A slide is a single page of your presentation. They are the canvas onto which you will insert text, images, and objects. If you choose a content slide, you will be able to type bullet points into the text box. Inserting a text box. A text box is an editable space into which you can type. This is best used on a blank slide since other layouts provide areas to type. Adding a design or theme. Once you have inserted your slide, you can add a ready-made design to your presentation. By hovering your mouse over the designs, you can view a preview of the design before applying it to your presentation. Here you can also edit the page setup and slide orientation, as well as change the slide background, which I will demonstrate next. Changing the slide background. A shortcut can be used here. Right-click on the slide away from any text box and click Format Background. Inserting a shape. Shapes are useful because you can type in them and use them to hide and reveal objects. To edit your shape, double-click it. Here are your options. Inserting other object. There are lots of different objects that you can insert into your presentation. There are preloaded objects, or you can insert an object from a file. Double-clicking on an object, once you have inserted, it will give you all the options you need to edit your object. Inserting sound and movies. PowerPoint comes with some prepared sounds and movies, or you can insert some from a CD or from the network. Inserting an object from the internet. Google Images is a very useful place to search for images to insert it into your presentation. You can right-click the image and copy them, paste it into your presentation. Or you can print screen, paste on the slide and crop. This is helpful if you can't copy an image for some reason. There is another option which can be called as crop tool. This removes any unwanted parts from your image. Double-click on the image to make the crop option available. Custom animation. The sky is the limit when you start using animations, as well as jazzing up your presentation and drawing attention to specific points. Animation can be used to do more sophisticated things. Some are demonstrated in the advanced PowerPoint section. Animating bullet points. This is useful for presenting information bullet by bullet. You can make your bullet point appear one by one. Animating a text box or other object. You can make any object appear and disappear or move in any way you wish. Once you have added your animation, you can edit how your object appears in order of your animation and whether the animation starts on click with previous animation or after. Custom animation. One of the key features of PowerPoint is the ability to make text and object appear and disappear according to a present plan. This text has been animated to appear as if it typed, and the arrow with next written on it won't appear until the text has finished. If you have a complicated set of animation, it's worth previewing the slides to check them. Transitions. Slide transitions are the visual movements as one slide changes to another. Transition options are found under the Animations tab. Transitions continued. You have three decisions to make regarding transition styles: associating a sound with the transition, transition speed, and whether to apply the transition to a single slide or to all the slides in your show. Handy tricks and tips. Some keyboard shortcut to help you on your way. During a presentation, spacebar or click the mouse moves to the next slide or next animation. Press B to blacken the screen during a presentation or W to whiten it. Ctrl+P gives you a pen to draw on a slide. Press the desired slide number plus enter on the keyboard to jump to that slide. During normal view, F5 start the presentation from the beginning. Ctrl+Z undoes the last action you did. Ctrl+C copies highlighted text or an object. Ctrl+V paste the last item added to the clipboard, and Ctrl+D copies and paste in one action. Using presenter view, you can display the full screen slide show on your projector wishlist. You have normal view in your computer screen. Printing slides. You have a number of options when printing slides. A good option is one of below, since it leaves room to make notes and print 3 slides to a page. Advanced PowerPoint. The following slides will help you to get the most out of PowerPoint in the classroom by using some of the more complicated features. Advanced PowerPoint. Contents are Hyperlink 1, Hyperlink 2, using action button to add hyperlinks, using custom animation to insert a basic timers, using custom animation to add a ticker tab, using the developer tab to embed a YouTube video into your presentation, using the developer tab to enable typing during the presentation. Thanks to all of you.